YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bia and this is my bubble, and if you like it here, you can always hit the subscribe button to get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade granola clusters. This is my favorite recipe because it's super easy, delicious and nutritious. It can be enjoyed for breakfast or as a snack. This recipe contains slow digesting carbs, fats and protein. Also, if you add some seeds in there, you get some added omega-3s. So stick with me and I will show you how. To a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of rolled oats, not instant oats. This is the base of our granola. Then add 1 cup of puffed rice. This is optional. Then add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of linseeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, then I added 1 cup of mixed nuts. You can add your favorite types of nuts, but in this case I have Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, pecan nuts, cashews and pistachios. I then added a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of mixed nut spice. I then added 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. This is ground flax seeds for extra omega-3s. This is also optional. After adding a pinch of salt, you can mix the dry ingredients together. By this point, you can decide how sweet you want your granola to be. For my liking, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar does the trick. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Firstly, you add a half a cup of oil of your choice. In this case, I'm using canola oil. Then I add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then I add a 1/4 cup of golden syrup. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until all the oats are covered with the syrup. After you mixed it thoroughly, get a baking tray and spray it with non-stick spray. Then place the granola on the tray. To get those nice clusters we all love, we have to use the spoon to press it down on the tray. I like to press it into a rectangle so that we can get quite a bit of height. Place the tray in the oven for 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, you will see the granola become golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely before forming clusters. Roughly use your hands or a spoon to get the size clusters you want. Place in an airtight container like this one and enjoy. You can enjoy this over some yogurt, some milk, or just as is. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. I will see you next time. Bye!